I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Einer.
And you're watching the Bottom Line Breaking News. Michael, we've been seeing a lot of questions pouring into the office, a lot of this on local news, talking about how people that are receiving disability benefits are seeing a delay in their stimulus checks. So break down for us first, why is that happening?
Yeah, Katie. So what's happening, we've been, particularly the last few weeks, been getting a ton of calls from clients who are concerned that their latest stimulus check has not been sent to them. The reason has to do with the tracking and finding people. Essentially, many people who are receiving SSD benefits, supplemental security income benefits, SSI, or a Social Security retirement benefit, because their total income is so low from those benefit checks, they're not filing taxes every year. And the IRS then, who is in charge of distributing the stimulus funds, doesn't know where to send the checks. So we found out that that's what it's been that's causing this delay. And Social Security has been working around the clock with the IRS to get that resolved.
Good. And we did just recently find out earlier this week a statement's been put out. So tell us what we know now and hopefully a little relief coming for those people who've been asking.
So we finally do have some good news that we can pass along. On Tuesday, Social Security released a statement with the IRS that essentially said they've gotten together and finished, correcting the problems that they were having. And beginning this weekend, so hopefully Friday, the 2nd of April, people should start seeing those checks that were missing show up in their accounts. They did warn people that it could take through the following Wednesday until April 7th to receive their checks, but keep checking those accounts because over the next week or so, Social Security, or the IRS through Social Security, is going to start dispersing those missing stimulus checks.
Great. So relief is on the way. Michael, thank you so much for taking the time to jump on here quickly and explain this for everyone. If you guys have any questions, we're ready to just break in and give you all of the answers that you need. You can visit our website, alignerlegal.com, to submit those there.